Enough of fooling around. Enough of playing the B team and scoring 400 runs and showing off. Enough of beating all the Asian teams and calling yourself Asia Cup winners and everything. That's okay. That's okay. But time to get serious right now. And today we have got a reality check. Okay, the World Cup is not only about the Asian teams. It is also about SENA countries. South Africa, England, New Zealand and Australia. They are also coming for the World Cup. So it's a reality check and it's a really tough test. Today's match, seriously, Australia has got back Stark, Cummins, Hazelwood. All the three fast bowlers played all together in a single match. This series, first time it is happening, and we couldn't even score 300 runs when we were in the pole position at 222 runs. 3 wickets have fallen down. At the 36 overs, we were in the pole position of winning the match. We couldn't even score 300 runs and we couldn't even complete 50 overs. So it's a big reality check. We are no longer world beaters. We are not world beaters. So stop being overconfident and start working on the World Cup. That's it. Start taking it seriously. Time to take things seriously right now. That's it. No more Chilmar, no more Tilmar and all those things will not work anymore. I'm telling seriously. Because today's match showed that we are still dependent on Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. If they get out, still our middle order is not that much convincing. It is not that much convincing. Yes, against Pakistan in the Asia Cup they have performed well. But against SENA countries, टिक पाएगा कि नहीं वो सर्टेनिटी नहीं है. आज जो खेला है सीरियसली यार, वन प्लेयर यार, श्रेयस अय्यर और केएल राहुल और the Surya Kumar Yadav yaar, these three players, one of them had to be responsible na yaar. They had to be responsible that like that Labuschagne, how he played, 72 runs he has scored, responsibility when wickets were falling down, he has taken them to the last na yaar, and he has played a responsible knock. Like that we had to play, someone had to play a responsible knock, but we failed. So this is a big challenge, that whether now in the bilateral series we have failed without any pressure. In the World Cup, will our middle order withstand against SENA countries? That's the big test and big question. That one is. And the first match is in Chennai, spinning track. It is in Chennai and it is against Australia. The World Cup campaigns begin. And this is the first time a host is not playing the first match. England and New Zealand are kickstarting the World Cup. Okay, they are kickstarting the World Cup. And I think the last year two finalists are kickstarting the World Cup. First time host country is not starting the first match as a World Cup. Means they are not starting the campaign. Host is not starting the campaign. So first match is in Chennai against Australia itself. And today, forget about Stark, forget about Cummins, forget about Hazelwood. That Maxwell came, first match he has played after I think 14 months he's coming and playing. Not 14 months, I think after 6 or 7 months he's playing means in ODI, I don't know really. But he's coming back after a long time. Okay, he's coming and he scored only 5 runs. Okay, he scored only 5 runs, but through his fielding, he has saved at least 20 runs and he has taken 4 wickets here. 4 wickets, and those were not some high quality spin like Mutaya Muralidharan spinning ball, Dusra or anything, or like Harbhajan Singh spinning ball or anything. High-fi spinning deliveries, those were not like that, yaar. Even those were not like those type of spin bowling. It was basic deliveries, line and length and little bit flight, that's it. Our batsman has given catch practice, that's it. Seriously, Rohit Sharma's wicket, he gave straight, the ball stuck to his hand like a magnet. Maxwell's hand like a magnet. Virat Kohli also, the ball stuck onto the wicket. He has given the catch, gone. And then he has taken Washington Sundar. Are bhai, that decision was a ajeeb decision yaar. This Washington Sundar is coming. Opening, seriously, मतलब बैटिंग नहीं मिला पूरा सीरीज में तो उसको ओपनिंग डाल दो. क्या मतलब over. The way he has played today, seriously, he was playing a test match innings yaar. He was playing a test match innings. He is basically a bowling all-rounder, okay? He cannot bat. Means he's a bowler who can bat. That's it. Okay? One was Border Gavaskar Trophy, वो टेस्ट मैच में जिता दिया यार. ओडीआईज में उसका बैटिंग में कोई कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है यार. कोई कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. सिर्फ एक बॉल अगर सर के ऊपर आएगा तो वो पुल मारेगा अपने आप को बचाने के लिए. टू प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ, he'll hit a pull shot and he'll score those runs, but his timing and everything, due to lack of game time and due to lack of confidence, none of the ball were hitting the gaps. He was neither finding the gaps nor were hitting the middle of the bat, nothing. It was like test match innings. 30 balls he has played, around 20 runs he has scored. So that is seriously for an opener. There Warner is scoring around 50 runs at a rapid pace. Even Mitchell Marsh is scoring 90 runs, 80 runs at a rapid pace. Seriously, our opener, this Rohit Sharma, it was too much pressure on him. Still, yeah, they have given, Rohit Sharma has given a decent enough start. But the match we have lost is middle overs. Middle overs when the ball was stuck in the pitch, getting stuck on the pitch, and it was difficult to hit the boundaries because the pitch was getting slower and slower and slower and slower. So that we couldn't tackle the spinners. And today Zampa didn't play. In that match Zampa will also play. Okay. और आज का मैच देखकर वो 3 स्पिनर मतलब आज Zampa के बदले में कौन संगा वंगा चंगा पंगा टंगा किसको रख दिया? I've never heard his name also. Some Sanga. And that guy has bowled well. We have made him look like what to say? We have made him look like Rashid Khan. That Sanga changa panga danga. That fellow. Okay, that guy we have made him look like Rashid Khan. Seriously, the way first 2 balls he was looking loose, and after that he is giving economical overs here. He is giving, and Maxwell here. Seriously, we couldn't tackle Maxwell. Means Maxwell was so accurate and his fielding was very much energetic and he has a leadership skills. He's cheering up other fielders also and he's telling them to fight, and he lifted up the Australian spirits, which was missing in the first 2 ODIs. And he has taken that wicket of Shreyas Iyer. That ball, seriously, he has hit a 6 in the previous delivery. He has hit a boundary. After that, he should have just played singles and take the match closer, Nayar. Take the match till the end. Take the match till the end, take the target closer, then see what is the result and everything. Instead of that, he couldn't even play the ball and he became bold. That's it. After that, Sky also gave a catch practice. That's it. Over. Finished. Our middle order collapsed and full batting also collapsed. From 222 runs in the 36 overs, we couldn't even score 300 runs. 286 runs we have scored. Okay, some 60 runs we have scored. In 12 overs, we have scored some 60 runs. And we have gave around 7 wickets. So really, it's a big concern. World Cup matches in Chennai, spinning wicket it is there. They are going to play Zampa. It is going to be very difficult. It's going to be very difficult. Stop taking things lightly. Stop taking all those chill. एशिया कप जीत गए हो, ठीक है, बढ़िया है, जबरदस्त है, लेकिन अभी सीरियस हो जाओ, बस सीरियस हो जाओ और मैच मतलब वर्ल्ड कप का अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दो. अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दो और स्पिनर्स को अच्छे से खेलो ना यार, अच्छे से खेलो और अपना टीम 11 ठीक लाइनअप रखो. अभी भी कंफ्यूजन चल रहा है कि अश्विन 15 में आएगा या फिर वॉशिंगटन आएगा. दोनों चेन्नई का बंदा है, एक सीनियर है एक जूनियर है. कौन सीनियर जूनियर में लड़ाई चल रहा है, कौन आएगा, अश्विन या वॉशिंगटन, कौन आएगा, इसमें लड़ाई चल रहा है, डिबेट चल रहा है. और अक्षर पटेल इंजर्ड है. अक्षर पटेल शायद 4 मैच नहीं खेलेगा वर्ल्ड कप में, इसलिए दीज बोथ आर रिप्लेसिंग. ओके, so my instinct is saying that take Ashwin and go. He's experienced and he's little bit wicket taker. Washington is also good, yaar. Washington is also good, but he's economical bowler. He's not a wicket taking bowler. So I would prefer Ashwin. Ashwin has more experience. I will go with the experience. But it's okay. No problem. Any one of them comes also, no problem. That is not a big concern. But the middle order, how they are playing the spinners, that is a big concern. That's a huge concern actually. And Jadeja's batting is a huge concern, yaar. What is he batting? Like after 14 months, it seems he's hitting a 6. After 14 months in ODI cricket, he's hitting a 6 today. He has hit his 6 after 14 months. And today he also couldn't take the match till the last. He also got frustrated and he threw his wicket away. That's it, over. So Jadeja, and bowling also today, our spinners have given only 2 wickets. Kuldeep Yadav is only picking up the wickets. That too, Kuldeep Yadav has not bowled his full over quota. He has bowled around 5-6 overs he has bowled, and in 5-6 overs only he has picked 2 wickets. And Washington Sundar and Jadeja, they have not picked 20 overs, they have not picked 1 wicket also. Whereas their Australia spinners, that Sanga Panga Changa Tanga, that fellow has taken 1 or 2 wickets, and Maxwell has taken 4 wickets here. So their spinners have taken 5 to 6 wickets, and our spinners have taken only 2 wickets. So spinning means this was like a little slowish track. Slowish track with the new ball, it was looking like a road track, but the ball is sticking onto the wicket, and in the middle overs it's becoming a little bit difficult. The ball is not coming onto the bat properly, so spinners had to do the job. So our spinners couldn't pick up wickets, and Australia, that Labuschagne, yaar, people were saying, Australian media was saying that Travis Head got injured. So it is a big concern. It's not a big concern. Labuschagne is a fantastic replacement. He's a concussion expert. He will be definitely in the 15-man squad. He scores runs and fielding also. Today at least he has saved around 15 to 16 runs he has saved. So what else you need more? He has already 73 runs he has scored. So 16 more runs उसमें जोड़ दो, so he has scored a 90 runs. Where others in the non-striker end, people were he was losing wickets, he was not getting any supports, and he single-handedly has scored 73 runs and taken Australia to 350 runs. And our middle order batsmen, none of them could take the match till the last end overs, and we lost by 66 runs. That's the basic difference. And spinners, these two are the basic difference, middle order and the spinners. So it's a huge reality check. We are not world beaters. अभी तैयारी करो और फिक्स करो कि कौन प्लेइंग 11 होगा, कौन 15 मैन होगा. मैं तो चाहता हूं कि अश्विन जाए वर्ल्ड कप, अश्विन खेले वर्ल्ड कप because he is more experienced and he's a wicket taking ability bowler. So let him go to the World Cup. Washington Sundar is young, he's raw and rusted talent, he's talented, but somehow he's going to miss. And suddenly he was not, suddenly he came into the selection contention. Asia Cup also he got a chance against in the finals, he got a chance, but he didn't get to bowl because Siraj has destroyed the stumps of all the Sri Lankan batsmen. So he didn't get any batting also, he didn't get bowling also. Today he has got batting, but his batting as an opener didn't even look convincing at all, nothing. Okay, he should come at, lower down the order. After Jadeja, he should come up. So they have sent him opening, so opening also didn't look convincing at all, nothing.